guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today is another Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all. So I realized that in my side hustle business, my side hustle video that I uploaded last week, I did not film the part where I laid the bed and how I prep the bed. Okay, so in today's video I am going to show you guys how I lay my bed and everything. So I'm going to pack my food, my drink, my water and water okay, and then we'll head back, you know, to work, and then I'll show you guys this time around. I think I didn't film because I left my tripod stand at home, but today I'm going fully prepared. I'm going with everything so that I can give you a proper view as to how I lay my bed, and also show you guys how you can lay your bed like correctly, properly at home, especially those of you that use, like, you know, the duvet, you know how to like put a duvet cover on the duvet. So all these things, one may ask, how did I learn it? I learned it when I was working at a hotel. I don't know if I mentioned it in my first video, but I used to work in a hotel as a room attendant, and so that is where I learned how to clean. Okay, you can't just clean because you know how to clean. There are ways we go about how we clean. Okay, so that is where I learned it from, and I'm proud of, you know, that skill that I learned, and so I take my job seriously. Okay, and so yeah, I'm going to show you guys in this video. I think it's going to be a very short video how I, you know, lay my bed. So keep watching, don't go anywhere. Love you. So guys, this is my lunch. A bottle of sobolo, rice, egg, pork and stew. So I don't want to be late for work, that is why I'm sending my food to work. Hi guys, so please don't mind me, I was just trying to be in a good mood. So what I do, you know, is iron my stuff. That's my pillowcase, my bed sheets, and then my towels. But then for the duvet cover, I mostly iron it on the bed because the surface of the ironing board is quite small for me. Yeah, so I usually iron it on the bed because the bed has like a wider or a larger surface. So as you can see, I have 4 pillowcases. That is because every room has 2 pillows for now. Yeah, so I usually iron the pillowcases first. Yeah, I make sure that they're neatly ironed so that when I put it on the pillows, they will look really nice. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm done ironing the pillowcases. So what I do, yeah, so that's my, that's my bed sheet and then my duvet cover. I think this time I didn't iron the bed sheets also on the ironing board. I did everything in the room. So I'm getting ready to, like, you know, make my bed. So because the bed sheets is not ironed, I try my best to tuck it in very well so that I can get them straight. I can get it straight, and then when I do the ironing, it comes out neat with no you know, folds or any place not neatly ironed. You understand? So I try my best to like tuck them in very pretty well so that everything will come out neat, like my ironing comes out neat. So as you can see, there's a plug at the side of the bed, and so yeah, I just iron.
Hey.
So when I'm done ironing the bed sheets, I try, or I put, sorry, I don't try, I actually put the pillowcase on the pillow and then set them aside for when I'm done with like the entire bed laying. So now it's time for me to put my duvet cover on the duvet. I think I had a hard time today with my duvet cover, but all the same I was successful in laying my bed. So guys, yeah, so I think I'll just leave you guys to continue watching, and if you have any questions you could ask in the comment section and I would answer them. really hope that the demonstration was you know, okay. If it wasn't, you could tell me in the comment section, and maybe I would do it better. But then I don't know, but I think that was the best I could do. I'm so sorry, but I hope it was clear, especially with the voiceover that I did. The reason why I didn't talk whilst I was laying the bed was because I don't have a microphone right now, so I felt like, you know, me working whilst I do the voiceover would have been the best option for us all. And I really hope that you like my video. Please do not forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you're a new, you know, viewer. And if you're new here, you're welcome. This is Margaret Nana Comedy, aka Girl from Me. Okay, so please, you're welcome to this small growing family, and I really do hope that you stay. I am doing my best to bring you guys great content, so help me God. But then, you know, I really do hope that you enjoy my video, and I will see you on my next video, which is another vlog. I wouldn't tell you where we will be visiting in this video. You will see it in my next, where I went to and why I went there. Love you guys. Have a blessed week. Mwah.